Saintgits College of Engineering presents Home Magic 2020. Let's make microbial fuel cell. The materials required are electrodes. Either you can buy electrodes as such from the local market or can use the materials available in home such as copper, aluminum or zinc. We have chosen 3 copper electrodes and 3 aluminum electrodes. The 3 containers, wires, LED and some liquid food waste. The food waste has to be kept for 2 or 3 days so that the microbes will grow. We have used rice water mixed with biogas effluent. Fill 3/4 of the container with food waste. Connect the electrode using the wire as shown in the diagram and immerse the electrode into the food waste. Care should be taken to prevent the contact between 2 electrodes in a container. Finally, connect the LED. And the microbial fuel cell is ready. Let's see the principle behind this. Microbial fuel cell use bacteria as a catalyst to oxidize organic and inorganic matter. As a result of oxidation reaction, free electrons are generated. The electrons flow from the anode to the cathode, and as a result, the LED glows. Changing lifestyle and higher out-of-home consumptions are fueling the demand for processed and convenience food. We need more food technologists to meet this. Thank you for watching.